Hi, I'm Wilson Hawkins. I'm with ASKO and I'm the Senior Sales Director, and I'm here to introduce you to ASKO washers. So, ASKO washers are the largest capacity of all compact laundry out there. When I say largest capacity, what does that mean? What it means is our product can hold roughly 14 plus full-size bath towels. That is a fantastic capacity when you think about a product that has a compact footprint. The second key component of what really makes the ASKO washer unique and different, and what really differentiates us, is the quality material we use. We use stainless steel throughout the entire product, not just in a lot of the motors and the hidden components, but even all the way up to the front seal of the door. We're the only one in the industry that actually does a steel seal door frame, which makes it more hygienic and better for you, the customer.